Thank you. My name is Archaeza Devine, Operations Coordinator at Kunda Gelato. I'm one of the participants in the Project Management Associate Training. The most valuable thing I learned in this training is the project planning methodologies that we use. I have learned that we have different methodologies in project management that I didn't know and that are very useful when implementing the project management. For my daily work, the program was very practical. As an operations coordinator, I encounter so many projects that I manage or lead, and it was so necessary for me to understand what I am doing and how I should lead the project in an effective way. The training exceeded my expectations. For me, this was the first project management associate training that I had, and I did not expect what I have encountered. It has so many sectors, detailed methodologies. I would say it is more than what I envisioned coming here. Yes, I would recommend PMA to others. Here is why. For two main reasons. The first, for new project managers, it guides you to a good way, step by step, on how you can be a good project manager. How are the project managed? What are the steps? What are the methodologies? Also, for those who are already project managers, it strengthens their management in the projects. It helps them to re-evaluate their systems. It helps them to improve their systems, to introduce new methods that seem more effective. So yes, I would highly recommend PMA to others. Thank you.